Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So you are seeing right now a pen drive which is smaller, and I'm showing you the world's smallest stove, which is equivalent to a pen drive in dimensions. And so today I'm unboxing and showing you the working and all the aspects of this small stove, which you can use in your day-to-day life and also in camping and in other outdoors activities. So now you are seeing this wonderful small little stove. This is a stainless steel stove and it has a igniter, so you don't need any matchsticks or something like this to ignite it, and it generates a pyroelectric sparks. I'm showing you, just by pressing the button you are seeing that the spark is being generated. So it is very handy tool. So it fits on to a propane gas cylinder, and this is a controller which controls the amount of gas you are using it, and it also controls and regulates the flame. These are the clamps. So depends upon the size of the vessel they can adjust. If the smaller vessel you can keep it inside, and if larger vessels then you can just extend the size of these clamps. It's very small, just see, it is just half of my hand, and it is a very easy and very handy tool that you can keep it into the pocket of your bag. It comes in a plastic casing, so which is very handy. Now I'm showing you the measurements of this small stove. So with the scale I can show you the dimensions. It is in centimeters. So just a rough dimensions what I'm showing you. It is approximately 7.5 centimeters in length. Yeah, around 7.5 centimeters. And it is approximately 4 centimeters in breadth. So dimensions are 7.5 into 4 centimeters, so it is bit small. My dear friends, please subscribe my channel. I need your subscription. It will motivate me to make more of such videos. So please subscribe my channel and also like the channel. Now this is a propane gas cylinder. So this is a small cylinder, and in market there are much smaller cylinders which are coming. This is a bit large one what I have taken, and according to your convenience you may buy a smaller one also. It is 450-gram cylinder. So propane gas cylinder comes with a inbuilt groove. So on the nozzle there is a groove, and also the stove fits into this groove. So you have to secure it tightly so that gas does not leak out. It is very handy tool. These gas cylinders are available everywhere in US and Europe, in Australia, and also they are available every part of the world. This is a great camping gear, dear friends. I tell you, this is a great camping gear, and which you can use it while your outdoor activities, to cook food and to boil water and to make tea and beverages and everything. I will show you the working of this stove. So be with me till the end of this video. So see how easily it ignites. You can just regulate it. See, you can get the flame as high as you can or as low as you can. It according to your demands, it works. In Japan also, Canada also, these propane cylinders are available. Dear friend, please subscribe my channel. Please subscribe my channel. So now I will boil a water. So to show how quickly it boils. Now I'm showing you the working of this small stove. So for that I have kept a small vessel with the water in it. So the water is boiling. It takes very few minutes to boil it. So my dear friend, as you seeing, the water is boiling. So it is a very wonderful stove. So thank you for watching my video and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.